Guys, welcome to the channel. I am out under this beautiful juniper tree, cedar tree, whatever you want to call it. Back in Missouri, there's like cedars. So anyway, I'm out under this, out riding today on the Honda Trail 125, and I brought something with me. Wanted to make a unboxing video and see how this thing is. But it's actually an AUTOONE smart pump. This thing did say like 3 times faster, I think it said online. So I wanted to check this out. I do like these little portable smart pumps. They're just so cool for this stuff, like off-road. You can use them in your car. That is a good looking one. Ain't no doubt about that. It's definitely the best looking one I've ever seen. I like this part too. This is one of my favorite things, is this. Some of them don't have the hose that stows inside. This one does, so I like that. So already we got some cool features I like. I think I'm supposed to peel this off. Hopefully this thing's charged up because I didn't actually check it before I came. Power it on. Hold that down till the bars come across. There, we're powered on. 35 psi. We want it on 22 is what I air my bike up to. So I already aired down before I came out here. And now I want to just try airing it back up. I can air it back down. It's not a problem. But what I run on the road on the Trail 125 and my Honda CR300L is 22. So I set it to 22 and we'll see how it does. But it did say 3 times faster. So I guess there's different things here. You can change it to bicycle. You can change it to ball, like you have basketballs, footballs. Manual, the little man on there, that's manual. And then back to auto, which is car. So usually I would use it on manual. I didn't. I went ahead and had it on car, but that's fine. Like that. It does have an LED light, which is nice because even flashes red, SOS. Cool. Flashes. So flashes red. It's got on. Regular just flashing. And then red, SOS. That's cool. And I think this is also, yes it is, this is also a power bank. So you have USB-C out and USB-A right there. This hose actually will come out here and screw right into here. So that's how you do the hose, thread it in. It tells you on here that this hose gets hot. The air going through it actually heats them up. And that's pretty much on any of them. So it also comes with a bag to carry it in. Just a little soft bag to carry it in. And it comes with a USB to USB-C charging cable. Let's see here what kind of specs we have. This is a AUTOONE smart air pump. Maximum inflation is 150 psi. The settings that you can set it to is bar, psi, kPa, or kgcm. Input for charging it is USB-C 5V 2 amp, and then we also have USB output, USB-A 5V 2 amp. So obviously this one is the input to charge it. This is an output, so you can use this thing to, charge your cell phones or your camera batteries or whatever. You could use this for that. I wouldn't want to do that just because I need to make sure I keep this thing so I have air. I wouldn't want to get out and not have battery enough to air up my tires. So it also comes with, looks like, a blow tip, a press to Schrader adapter, another one here, and then it comes with a tip here for your balls. So you can air basketballs, footballs, whatever like that. Very cool. But it does say fast, so we're going to see how fast this thing is. If I find a tire that, there we go, that front one. Kind of, I'm under a tree here. It's kind of low hung here. See how good we go from like 15 psi, I believe is what's in it, to 22. And the battery probably needs charge. I sat there long enough that it went off. So that's good. If you did forget and leave it on, it will power itself off after time and not run your battery dead that way. Throw this on here. Yeah, it shows I got 13 BSI in it. So I may have maybe a little lower than I thought. Hit the plus button. I hit the power button to start it. Seems to be doing good. But it says AUTOONE is the brand of this one. Sounds good. Running good. Need to charge it up because definitely we're low battery. And like I said, I didn't charge or anything. I never even unboxed it before I got out here on the trail. I figured this would be a good place to come test it. There we go. Actually stopped at 23. I thought I had it set to 22. I did. Oh no, I had it set on 23. Okay. Stopped at 23. Good enough. I thought, why did it stop at 23 when I had it set at 22? But I must have bumped that probably when I was messing around over there, and I raised that thing to 23 instead of 22. But heck, this thing works good. Seems to be nice. One thing about these pumps too is they usually suck in air in these bottom ports here. So be careful if you have any of these little pumps of setting it down in sandy, gritty dirt, because you can suck a bunch of dirt up in there, and you don't want that dirt in there in the pump. So always hold the pump. Okay, so number one thing I do like about it is this right here. I like how this stows inside. Now, this one does not have the deflate button. One of them that I did review has a deflate button. This one does not have it to let your air out of your tires. But, you know, you can carry a tire gauge and let the air out of your tires. That's not a problem. So it does have a light on it. That's cool. A manual mode, so you can just set it whatever you want. And then, of course, you have the different settings for different types. I use PSI. Of course, I'm in the United States. Up and down or power button. I like that you can take here like this. If in emergency you needed to charge your phone, you're out somewhere, your phone went dead, you needed to call, you broke down, you could actually plug it in here, charge your phone. So that is a really good feature right there. That's a plus. I do like that part. So really cool. Hold this down, turns it off. Yep. There we go. Put this valve cap back on here. You know why? I need to air this down actually, because I'm still going to go riding. But there we go. AUTOONE. Not bad. Model AC01. Capacity 19.24 watt hour as far as the battery that's inside there. And like I said, this thing will do 2 pounds to 150 psi. Rated voltage on there, the battery is a 7.4 volt battery. Of course, it is made in China, but what's not made in China? Very cool. So a good little air compressor. Their website's on here. And email, support email. Very cool. So if you want one to carry on your bike, you can carry this, like I said, too. Not on a bike. You can carry it in your car. It comes with this little bag. I'm going to go ahead and stick it back in this bag. It actually comes in this, but I said back in it. But stick it in this bag here. Cinch it up. And then put it right back in here. But that's cool to have an air compressor like this. If you're out like this right here, guys, you're out off-road, I highly, highly recommend something to air your tire up with. You can use a little hand pump, but I'm telling you, those things are horrible. It's come a long way these days. We got these little mini air compressors that are so much better than pumping that thing by hand. No matter whether it's a bicycle or a ball or a car, especially motorcycle like this. But very cool. And then you can just stow the thing in your luggage. You can put it in a bag like that there, the Nelson rig bag. I'm throwing it in here for now, but there you go. Super cool. So seems like a good little pump. Now I'll use it on here for a while. I'll keep it in here. That way I can actually use it every time for a while, make sure that it's going to last. I don't want to say that it's awesome, you know, when I haven't used it a lot yet. So that was the first use, worked great. I'll use it every time I air up and down my tires. So when I get done with this ride today, I'm going to air both tires back up. I'm going to air the front one back down now. And I'll use that. But I'll just keep using it, see how it lasts, how it holds up, and let you know in a later video. But there you go, guys. Thank you all for watching. I will post a link for this below. Click that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon. You'll be notified when I put out a new video, and we'll catch you all in the next adventure. Right on.